Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with latest and beautiful decoration ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All the centerpieces ideas are very unique, beautiful and looking so adorable. So watch the video till end. I hope you will love this video, and this video is very helpful for your home decor. So keep supporting me. Support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy.